If you're a fresher and if you have SQL, Power BI, Excel as a skill, but due to some messy job titles, or you are not able to get a job, or you see that market is not hiring, so this video is especially for you. Hi, welcome or welcome back to Talk Data with Jen. I help freshers in their career of data and AI, and in this video I will be explaining you other job titles and their what skills are needed for those job titles which you can apply and start your data career. So let's begin. Before I list down the job titles, I just make sure that you understand that companies don't just hire for the job titles, they hire you for your skills and what mindset and what analytical problem solving skills you have as a candidate. So number one job title which comes as business analytics, and if you have skills of SQL, Power BI, and of course good communication skills in by which you can tell your ideas, your thoughts to the non-technical person, so this job role is the top priority for you. And if you think that only a MBA graduate can do business analytics or can go into business analytics job roles, so you are absolutely wrong. So number one, you can explore business analytics. Moving forward, next comes reporting analyst, or you can say MIS analyst, and most of the senior data analysts start their data journey with this role. So in this you can use your Excel skills, your Power BI skills like doing reporting, understanding KPIs, and maintaining dashboards. And in this you will get the real data driven decisions, so this job titles also you can explore as a fresher if you have all these skills. If you like to understand user metrics and funnel, this job role is for you, that is product analyst. In this you can use tools such as BI and BI tools, sometimes Python, SQL, and this is also a very good job title which you can explore as a fresher. And mostly the startups, those though they prefer to hire product analyst, so you can go for it. Now next comes operation analyst, and it's also a very great role if you are someone who has a structured thinking with the data, or you can build customized reports with the help of data driven decisions. So this job role will also help you, so you can filter out on LinkedIn like if companies are hiring for operations analyst, so you can try in this role as well. Now last and the most favorite job role which I find is that data specialist, in and big companies are hiring for this role as well, such as where you have to clean the data, we have to make the reports, and you have to validate the data. And in this job role you learn the most, because cleaning is the most important and most powerful thing as a data analyst or any job title you do. So if you found this video helpful, or if you get an understanding of other job roles other than just title of data analyst, so share this video with all the freshers who are starting their career into data. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jen. Thank you so much.